Fried chicken. 1500. 15. Okay. 15. They got it. You don't buy that? Okay.
You taking orders, bro?
Hey, we are at the BET Awards 2024, and I'm representing Waymaker. I'm sitting here with Gutta TV. Thank you. Yeah, shout out to Waymaker, okay?
Yeah.
So tell me, Gutta TV, where you from? What you do? Tell me more about yourself.
I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas.
Okay.
I got a label, record label, big on the internet.
Okay.
Just one of those guys.
All right. So, speaking of Arkansas, I got people in Arkansas too. They got a chicken farm. They got a house with a chicken farm, and the hyenas be after them chickens out there. Tell you something about it. Okay. So tell me about your content on social media. I obviously need to like tune in and check you out. You know what I'm saying? So tell me since we don't know each other, tell me about your content.
No, it's cool. I mean, I'm one of the first to do like a lot of the media and the content that we're doing right now.
Oh, I think I probably know that, you know, and just didn't realize it.
I was out here with DVDs. So I like to tell people I'm like 750,000 sold DVDs, like
Master D out the trunk.
So yeah, before YouTube.
It was Girls Gone Wild and Gutta TV.
Hey, that's it. With nobody else, it was just us.
I love that for you. Okay, so we gotta check you out. Gutta TV, obviously legendary. Okay, legendary.
Right.
Don't be like Charmaine and not own. Who you talking to? Okay.
No, listen, Charmaine, it's all good because the way, like I told you, the way this is going out here, like it's kids that got 20 million on TikTok. I don't even know them, so it's good. It's all understood.
Yeah, I love that. So, what can we expect from Gutta TV in the future?
Movies and music. That's it. I ain't doing nothing outside my element. Music and movies.
And tell me what your inspiration was to become Gutta TV. Who came before you? So, who inspired you? Like,
I was Gutta anyway. That's from the streets. So the TV came when me picking up the camera.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You put it together.
Okay, Gutta TV. But who inspired you? Because you're like the first to do it. So, like, who inspires the first person to do what they're doing?
The hood made me like, you know, before Instagram, it was a lot of you lying or you ain't doing that. So I had to prove the hood that I'm really doing what I'm doing. So, you know, people picking up cameras now because it's just cool and for some memories. When I picked it up, I had to prove to the hood that I really was popping it.
So you said, I'm going to pick up this camera and I'm going to put out some DVDs.
Yeah, I don't want to sit here and try to shoot out no people that inspire me. Yeah, unless I'm talking about the street guys like Soup and Big Jack.
greatest to do this shit. I created a lane. As a kid, my mama told me, boy, you gonna be big, now the world know my name.
Yo, what up? It's Gutta TV. You gonna be big. Hey, look, this the new channel. Gutta TV clips. Like, subscribe, comment, all that, and I keep dropping exclusives. We trying to get more plaques, you know what I mean? We need more plaques. This one need a plaque, man. Subscribe right now, man. Keep following. You know what's up, man. You're gonna be big. It's good. Let's get it. Gutta!
You gonna be big. Straight up. You gonna be big. Gutta TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how
Stay safe, keep it gutter, you know. Yeah, all that. Yeah.